guys, welcome to Backyard Broncos. My name is Carlos, and this is my new YouTube channel. So I'm going to give you guys just a tour of my Bronco. So that's the actual body tub. I took out the engine, which is a 302, and there's the transmission with the Dana 20 transfer case. Likely that's the hood. I don't know if it's salvageable. It has surface rust, but then it's been repaired with Bondo. On the other side you can see a big old patch of Bondo on it. These are the A-pillars, definitely rust bucket in here. Panels, whatever you want to call them. I stripped it all down. The seats are in the boxes over there. I had the two front seats, I didn't have the back seat. Took out the dashboard. I should have recorded that, but I wasn't sure what I was doing. I have rust up here. Other than that, the top looks fine, except for some surface rust and some rusty spots by the window, by the... No, sit. Stay, good boy, good boy. That's the back. I took out the bumpers. Oh, yo, no, stop. Boyle? No. Stop it. That's Penny. She wants to play with her ball. Okay, anyways. So that's the back. That's the dashboard. Took out the dashboard. Took me a while to figure it out. I had to bring down the window, fold down the window to take out the dashboard, get all those screws back there. The gas can, seats, some extra parts. I think it's the heater core, and then the breather thing, the air cleaner thing. Some stuff that I separated, like lights and stuff like that. These are the original inner fender things, inner. Oh, plug it there. And this is an extra that the gentleman gave me that he was going to cut out and piece out. The fenders are back there. Fenders are in pretty good shape. The tailgate is shot. I don't know if I could repair that or if it's even worthy of repair, but as you can see, it's pretty much shot. The front grille, I don't know either. It's yeah, it has a big old ding on it. And as you can see, Boyle, there's a lot of rust back there, under there. But anyways, I'm gonna do this up, and I'm gonna need everybody's help on YouTube. Yes, Boyle wants to help too. Penny just wants to play with her ball. I usually play fetch. Oh, that hurt, Boyle. But anyways, yeah, I have a rowdy puppy who keeps on jumping in. He's heavy. Anyways, Gizmo's just under the car. But this is it. Those are the doors. The doors are actually in pretty decent shape. Toolbox. So that's my backyard. This is the area that was given to me. Designated area so I could work on my projects. I bought that, what is that canopy thing at Costco the other day. Pretty cool, came in handy. I might buy another one just for the Bronco because I don't have a garage. But anyways, yeah, now that I gave you guys a little tour of the Bronco itself, just want to let you guys know this whole channel is gonna be about the Bronco and the steps and basically my journey repairing this, and my dogs are gonna be in the mix sometimes. But anyways, okay, good boy. Yeah, it's I'm gonna try to document as much as I can. Obviously, I'm not gonna have the camera with me most of the time, but in my steps and try to follow up with everybody who have questions, I guess, who are in the same boat as me. Full disclosure, hey you guys, full disclosure, I don't have any experience doing this. Never really repaired any cars, I mean, besides oil changes and stuff like that. I've never really done anything big. This is something that's scary. It's very scary. at first, you know, I got the Bronco fever, and I'm like, yeah, I could do it. I had one of my family members who's actually built a car previously. He told me to, you know, let's do this, and he was gung-ho about it. He still is. Anyways, he's more gung-ho about it than I was at the time. Anyway, so I got a really good deal on this. I wanted a Bronco. Should have gotten a running one, but I got one that didn't run and has a lot of rust. But anyways, it is what it is. We're gonna bring this baby from the ashes, just like a phoenix. I'm telling myself that, but anyways, that's the goal. It is to make this, you know, beautiful once again, something majestic. Just how it was back in the day, right? Good girl. Hey, you guys. Anyways, I'm sorry. These dogs, they require a lot of attention. Yeah, they always want to be with me everywhere. Hey, Penny. Okay, sit. Stay over there. Good girl. You're in the way, you guys. Anyways, that's the Bronco project. Thank you guys for viewing. I want to shout out, I don't think I said it, or if I have, but I just want to shout out to Matt's Garage and to Nashville Early Broncos. You guys are awesome. You guys actually inspired me to do this. I'm just gonna do it. You know, what's the worst that could happen? You know, I could sell it how it is. I mean, what's left of it if I do mess up? I think the title and the chassis and it's probably worse than the actual Bronco itself. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this live. Well, not live, but on YouTube. Maybe YouTube live later on. But anyways, yeah, it's gonna be a blast. We're gonna have fun. I think we're gonna have fun. Yeah, we should have fun. That's what it's about, guys. Body. Oh. Shiz. Whoa. I knew it. I was gonna snap it. I'm strong. The bolt that goes to the body mount. The one that holds the car down to the frame. Oh, shizzle. That's good and tight. We got it. Yeah. Whew. Okay, I just wanted to loosen it up. I need to go get one of those. I need to get some sockets that fit into my drill, because it'll probably be way easier. Doesn't it sound like the machine? Yeah, you definitely need a tetanus shot. Ah, fuck. That hurt. Sorry. Shoot. Crap. It's almost out. It's almost out. We did it! Oh wow, okay. So this is what they look like. The bolts that mount the body to the frame. like 3.5 inches, maybe 4 inches. I'm not sure. But this is the bolt, guys. I busted the other one, so that means, yeah. And I'm definitely gonna get new bolts. Don't worry. So I don't really. Okay, guys. My attempt to grind off those body bolts or whatever they're called, body mounts. Safety first, guys. I don't know if you can see this. I'm not the best cameraman. But pick this up at your local Harbor Freight on the cheap. Couple dollars. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I don't want sparks flying into me for the first time I ever use some hardcore machinery. I don't know if the grinder is considered hardcore. Hope you don't mind the music. Oh shit, the extension cord. I need power. I'm not gonna use this because the angle's sort of weird. So, it's been so long. It works. Hey guys, so finally got all the bolts off and it's loose. Okay, so I like sitting in here like this. Eventually I'm gonna be able to drive this thing. That's it for today, folks. Boil, get down. You're gonna get tetanus. You don't have your tetanus shot yet. Can dogs even get tetanus? I don't know. This dog's built like a brick. Anyways, yeah, thanks for watching. Leave any comments, any feedback. Honestly, guys, I really need a lot of feedback. It don't smell that. That's oil. That's WD-40. That's gonna be bad for you. They're gonna be pooping everywhere. What's wrong, Penny? Go get your ball. Go play with Penny. Anyways, yeah. Anything's appreciated, guys. Any help, anything that you think I might need or be beneficial, anything. I mean, don't worry about being offensive, anything like that. I'm trying to keep this channel PG. I know a lot of kids are gonna be watching this, because a lot of you guys are family guys. I don't have any kids. I have 3 dogs, as you can see. But sorry if I do cuss here and there. I try not to. I really do. But sometimes I try to say it in Spanish. Let's do that. I'll try to say a cuss word in Spanish if I really bang myself up. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hasta luego.